Now we have a working slider that moves when we click the control buttons. But wouldn't it be nice if the slide snapped in place when we horizontally scroll the slide? This will be most useful for touch devices. Let's start by applying interactions to our PGIA slides container. This is the main container block that contains the slides, so the sliding interaction should be applied to this one. Go to the tree panel and select PGIA slides container and go to the interactions panel. Now go to the actions list and click on scroll scene, and your scroll scene settings should appear. For direction, select auto detect. Now click on start and end and select whole scroll area from the drop-down. Now the PGIA slides container will work like a slider, and we can add more interactions to this. So let's add snapping. Click on snapping and some options should pop up below. For snap to, select elements. This tells the scene to snap to its child elements, in this case slides. There is duration, ease, and other options that you can play with to change the snapping behavior. Now manually scroll the slider or click on the empty space of the scroll bar and it should snap to the sides so that we can always see the full slide contents. Test this with a mobile or touch device if you can.